Chris Chinnock here for Insight Media. I'm in the iZone at Display Week 2024, looking at a brand new technology from this company called Scale Nanotech. Some of you in the display industry may remember a company called Mirasol that was developed under the Qualcomm, it was, I guess, acquired by Qualcomm. That was an interferometric approach based on MEMS technology. That ultimately did not come to market in any sustainable way in any way. Now Nanotech Scale Nanotech has revived this concept with some new innovations. So in the Mirasol design, it was a heavy MEMS membrane that went up and down in this cavity, and it created basically an interference pattern, an Etalon cavity that would be that would create interference for red, green, or blue, depending on the height of that membrane and the cavity that it created. It worked. It definitely worked very well, but there were issues bringing that to market. And so the innovation here is to replace that heavier MEMS, I guess it was silicon membrane, with a graphene, a graphite, it's a graphene membrane. It's much lighter. It's a single molecule or a single atom wide, so it's very, very light and easily to deflect. And it works in the same principle. If you create this cavity at one height, you get a red color. At a green, and another, and a blue at a different height. It kind of moves up and down like a drum head, I guess is the best way of describing it. And the way you get grayscale is you then move it to the desired color. If let's say it's red, then you move to black, so it's fully down, back to red in a pulse width modulation kind of scheme. So while the company's been around for 7 or 8 years, they're just now getting to some early prototypes. It's still early, and they're showing a couple of prototypes over here. I'm not going to try and show those. It'll be very difficult to look down the optic here. But in development now is a new backplane that they hope will be able to show a more demo-worthy demonstration. That's about all I know. Chris Chinnock for Insight Media.